Hello everybody, Michael Holman here with Curt's Clocks, the Atmos repair specialist, and today I want to make a quick video just mentioning the importance of carefully lifting off the 519 caliber Atmos and also the 528/6 caliber Atmos, lifting off the cover. You have to do this carefully because if you catch those hands with the case, you'll snap the fourth wheel, and that is an expensive repair. It's about a $150 part. So with these clocks and the tight fitting lids, first you obviously pull your pins out, but you want to err on the side of scratching the back. And these are such tight fitting lids that you would rather rub the back than to get the hands. And so you're making sure you clear the hands. And then this old one has a regulating knob sticking on the back, so then you got to kind of switch to the back side and clear that. But you can see that the case has a little bit of scuffing where you're grabbing that, and that's fine, and you would rather scuff the back than to hit those hands and snap off that wheel. I kind of gather that the reason they made the 528/8 with the press down knob is because a lot of people were catching those hands and snapping that. So anyway, that's a quick video today, just how to, be conscious of that minute hand, because if you catch that and snap it, it will cost you. Alright, take care. Bye-bye.